Want to create a poll in iMessage on iPhone? In this video, I will show you how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have updated your phone to the latest version. Now tap General. Here tap Software Update. Then make sure that you have updated it to iOS 26. This is only available in iOS 26, so make sure you have updated it. Now you want to open up iMessage. Go ahead and open up any group. Polls only work in a group conversation, so make sure that all the phone numbers of the group members are saved on your device. Now you want to tap on this plus icon. Here you will find different options. Go ahead and select polls. Now you can add in any comment over here, so tap here and then enter a comment. Now you want to enter your choices. After that, you want to tap on this arrow icon to send it. And now as you can see, the poll has been added. When the group member will vote, you will be able to find their answers over here, and in this way you can easily create a poll in iMessage. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.